Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys what you can do if you have forgotten your password on Reddit, or if you can't remember what your password was. You just need to follow these simple steps and you can recover your password in no time. So at first, what you need to do is open up Reddit, and after that you need to go to the login page or add an account page, and after you have reached this page you need to just search for forgot password on orange, which is right here. After you click on that, they'll ask for your username and email. If you don't remember your username, you need to click on this forgot username button again. After clicking on that, they'll only ask for your email, and after you enter your email, you need to click on this email me button, and after that they'll send you an email if you have an account for that email registered, and in that email you'll contain or reset Reddit password button, which you can reset the password from, but you'll not be able to recover your username if you don't remember your username and you click on the recover username button. So after you click on this email me, you'll be all set, and you just need to look into your email and you'll be done. So I believe I've taught you guys how to or what to do if you have forgotten your password on Reddit, and how to recover a Reddit password. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.